Süt de güzelmiş ya.
Allah yang tahu bagaimana perasaan aku sakit. Sakitnya perasaan aku ni.
These roads of flames are catching a fire.
This book came about is because my dad passed away about a year ago, and I had a box of what nigga you laughing?
Why your dad? Is he your superhero?
Yes.
And our happiness and our laughter tonight and our everything that you have allowed us to experience. And
When I was in when I was 9, I got molested by a guy with Down syndrome.
Don't laugh, Brandon. I'm not laughing.
Why'd you laugh?
It's just
That's fucking rude.
It's such a curveball.
He told me that I was ugly and fat and that I was a bitch.
Who would do such stupidity?
I don't know.
What's his name? What's his name?
I don't know his name.
Oh my!
Is that your real hair?
It's just hard for me because my grandma just passed. It's hard for my family. It's hard for my grandfather who's facing charge now.
I saw the life inside. I saw the life inside.
Anyways.
What the?
Like,
oh, it was him! What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Like, what is that?
What the Sigma?
I don't understand
What
that.
the Sigma?
What?
Pull up on your back, they make that thing go.
Stay! You can control them?
No, that one. Broke my own. Mine's bigger. Sycamore!
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
There she is.
live from London.
To say their final goodbyes to this fallen Louisville police officer, D.D. Mangudu.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
having me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. You now.
Everything is so expensive right now, clothing being one of the most expensive things you can buy.
And then you're
We
buying
talked
something-
about inflation raising those prices
Right.
so much.
And you're literally buying it for one night.
I know. So this is a great resource for these families.
It's on you. Right. There's a wasp. Go to the see once again. Go to the weather maps, folks.
Oh, I'm sorry, pendejo. No, I say sorry, pendejo. Sorry, pendejo.
¿Por qué pendejo?
I say sorry, pendejo.
Why pendejo? No. Say sorry, pendejo.
No, you pendejo.
No, what is pendejo?
What do you mean by pendejo?
Good guy. Pendejo means good guy.
Ah.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Why the fuck is everybody so goddamn quiet in this fucking store, nigga? Everybody, we finna have a titty party, nigga! Yeah!
Нормально?
Hey. Please. Please, don't. Never do that to me again. You understand?
I'm sorry, why?